Today I'm going to teach you how to set opening and closing hours in Woocommerce WordPress. This is incredibly useful if you run an online store and want to display your business hours, or even restrict orders to specific times when you're actually available to process them. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you have access to all the necessary settings and plugins. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. To set opening and closing hours in Woocommerce WordPress, start by clicking on Plugins in the left navigation menu. This will expand a set of options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new features to enhance your store's functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page where you'll see all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in Open Close. From the search results, look for the plugin called Open Close Store for WooCommerce Business Hours Schedules Manager. Before installing, I recommend clicking on More Details to review the overview of this plugin. This way you'll understand exactly what features and functions it offers and whether it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so just be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click it to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll notice a new option labeled Schedule. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on it to access the scheduling settings. From here, the process is pretty straightforward and user-friendly. Under the Schedules tab, click on Create Schedule. You'll be presented with the days of the week where you can input your opening and closing times for each day. Click on each individual day of the week and set your open and close times using the drop-down menus provided. This allows you to customize your hours based on your actual business availability. Once you've configured the times for all the days, click on Publish to save and apply your settings. And that's it. Your WooCommerce